and you can see it keeps it in place. And now here we hit the surface of the metal, and we're creating.
Wow.
We create the shape, and we build it up. There you go.
You don't use any mold. You don't use any mold to make it.
No, no molds. Every single one is done like this. So the next stage is we build it up. So that's the initial pattern. So this is a little smaller tool. We're creating the pattern, creating the shape. Bit by bit, we build it up. And then we finish the pattern off with this tool here, and now we're just starting to finish off that final pattern. So we see a little teeth here, a little tool here, goes down. Like so. And then this tool here, it's got little teeth. See the little teeth?
Yeah.
Yep, you can ring your teeth. This one puts in all the marks. And now, what I do, I fill in all the areas. So this is where I do all my hits, all my work now. I fill every single space. There we go. Yeah.
Wow.
And we do this. Oh, blimey! You're looking at around about an hour to do one of these, and probably about an hour and a half to do one of those.
Yeah.
So we hit that between 4,000 and 5,000 times.
What's the name of this model?
So this is a Viceroy Victorian Grand. That's a Grand, and this is a Standard.
Standards.
That's a Standard. Yeah, that's a Standard. So it's slightly smaller, as you can see.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's gorgeous.
There you go.
Yeah.
Every single one. We don't have a CNC or a machine that does it for us. We do it. And then this machine will put the barley pattern on. So we engage the machine against the piece. It goes up and down a little ladder here. It rattles the machine, and that creates the barley. So you ready?
Yeah, of course.
And then next line. So that's the next line over. And we're working on this area here, this Viceroy.
Şan gel bak.
There we go.
Şu aşamaya bak ya. Deseni veriyorlar burada. Wow.
There we go. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful? So every single one of these lines. So we put 50 lines or 60 lines all the way around. We do the caps and we do the barrel.
Yeah.
We make them. All our pens are made in silver, but this one we were doing some tests in brass.
Materials brass?
So that's brass. We normally use silver, so these are silver. Those are silver. We make all those.
Silver also.
Those are silver.
Yeah.
So that's it. There's a yard.
So you use the same press for the
Yeah.
brass and
Yeah,
silver?
we use the same. Yeah, we use the same press. Yeah, the brass ones are an experiment to see if we could use it in brass, but these we only use silver on all our pens. So this is going to be for a limited edition pencil, hopefully. But we use all these. These are all original to the company. You see how that's been shined? That's by hand. You feel that?
Oh.
That's just by hand. Over the years, people holding it. Used to be that colour.
It's like 50 years old.
You're probably looking at about 50 to 60 years old.
50, 60 years old. And how old is this workshop?
This workshop, we've been in this workshop for the past, coming up to a year and a half now. Spencer Street before, we were there for 20 years. We've moved about every 10, 20 years. We'll move. This is brand new for us. Through all the floors.
Engraving.
There's maybe it.
Yeah. And the nips from the German supplier?
Yes, yeah, they're from Germany. Yeah,
From Germany.
There's no UK supplier of nips.
You are using
as you know.
golden nips or
18 carats gold. 18 carats gold. Yeah.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much. This
That's not
burnishing.
polish, I'm just boxing them up now.
Yeah. You are using some chemicals here like that?
Polish, so high speed mop, shine
Yeah.
at the surface. So really try to get the best finish possible.
Very nice.
So very high speed, get very loud. And behind you are the boxes, so Bernie will box them up, wrap them up.
Yeah, this is the final item.
To a customer in America, these are all going to America.
Yeah, to America.
Polishing cloth, so you guarantee.
Yeah.